Hi there, I'm Jay from CISPR, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about the SensArray Enterprise and the SensRF-101 from SensThys. The SensArray Enterprise is a novel RAIN RFID reader that also contains a 8.5 dBIC antenna, network switch and power distribution system. Together, this reduces the amount of equipment required per install while minimizing the cabling, installation and labor required. The SensRF-101 is an aesthetically pleasing 9 dBIC antenna with a robust SMA connector. It can be used inside, where aesthetics are important, or outside, where weather resilience is necessary. Separately, they perform great, but together they can offer you many advantages for your project. The SensArray Enterprise and the SensRF-101 antenna come by themselves in the box. No additional products because you don't need a bunch of hardware or installation to get it going. It's plug and play. So let's dive more into the products. The SensArray Enterprise is a 5-in-1 product. It's a reader, an antenna, a network switch, a GPIO box and an integrated power distribution in one. The SensArray Enterprise operates at a fully industry maximum of plus 33 dBm via the 19 watt class 8 PoA input, so no separate DC power input is required, even to reach the top RF performance. It has 4 powered Ethernet ports for extending networking, with additional SensArray readers and other PoA devices, such as cameras, IoT sensors and light stacks. So no external network switch is needed. You can expand your network of SensArrays by plugging an Ethernet cable from the new reader to its nearest neighbor without the need to string cables back to a central switch. No other cables required. Plug and play. Next to the internal antenna, the SensArray Enterprise has 3 external antenna ports. A 4-in, 4-out, optically isolated GPIO can provide up to 30 watt of power to externally connected I/O devices. No external box required. This makes the Enterprise very attractive in case of infrastructure and installation costs. So, the SensRF-101 has an IP rating of 68, which means that it is a high level of protection to water and to dust. It's basically a sealed device. This makes this antenna ideal for offices or commercial environments, as well as warehouses, production lines, or even use outside without additional protection. The antenna is flush mount. You can use the holes in the 4 corners of the antenna to mount it flush, but there is also an optional 100 mm VESA conversion bracket available. Combining the SensArray Enterprise reader with the SensRF-101 antenna can offer you many advantages for your project. The reader already includes an internal antenna, so you only need 3 external antennas for a 4-port solution. These products offer a simplified installation and minimal maintenance, a single cable for a reader-to-reader connectivity, and a single cable from reader to antenna. Because the 2 products come from the same manufacturer, you have a single, simple path for support. No finger pointing at different vendors. The identical form factor and material of both products provide simple, common mounting capability and an identical look where aesthetics are important. So, are you interested in the SensArray Enterprise or the SensRF-101 from SensThys, or do you need more information? Please contact us.